Badwam Adom TV so amraso yenhwe sem ekoso wa godie mu mena no pa ya chesetum sensem de ya na bebrela de se fata salt de eboabo no de bakete wesinya de ruru bia na sedimo gel and roll on de sia konkon ne de abrao pin ne be kwae sedimo gel and roll on ho ba bia ye bia de fatwi na hu se something dey there rado zo na oneexpert.com so yeah nia makrofo sika de go mboto mu ho beti na wadi sika o beti na wadi sika oneexpert.com. Another China G-Fast mixture de manager on so main man so be jira on so a G-Fast mixture we mo ne nyuma kwadi asia konkon abring this sport the sports page one make ask me wo Adom FM so we Adom TV ye dey awokan see bro e wo bedwam so ne ade a kejuana kasane Eric Asiedu body be sha serie fi no the Premier League game on 24 emi yidi fi ho Fulham ne Chelsea and a depim so craving cottage bana we na Fulham abo Chelsea come watimo back for the first time in 17 years Fulham atumi a Chelsea and they see pressure no aba beda grand porter so anya sam keto akra yamura sa match dem Your Felix first game the match Chelsea the red card and twice this weekend rest and fixtures no see in the EPL and to say yes the likes of United ne Omama Carabao so betumi a share ne Aston Villa and Leeds United and about Manchester United Man City and Manchester derby and all right United form our pick here any city anybody abede so person Arsenal mema match mu de pa Manchester derby Basel Old Trafford now Brighton over Beyond Liverpool nebo Everton and Southampton Northern Forest and Leicester City Wolves and West Ham United Brentford and Bournemouth and a day Ebony we chance so matches now on Sunday Chelsea back in action how many Crystal Palace nebo Newcastle and Fulham at the Pim so na Tottenham Hotspur now game back on you Arsenal got some pressure than so papa na unim kura se wo lose we papa e go lose ba obebone dia ansa na Arsenal bo enema ade ne yin okowini so a the pressure beto ne so okulusu so a the pressure beto Arsenal so asem ben kura ni unu bi ufo na prank oni program City for mo I dream about all the so in the EPL no ya kwani me the other fixtures na ba na mo yemo the Spanish Super Cup na yenhwe and semi final na Barcelona na Real Betis na the epm so mbo 2-2 and on penalties Barca winning 4-2 Sunday Barca na Real Madrid the Clasico final and be Barca yemo sa game yemo na Saturday Vigo Villarreal na nyume Valladolid Vallecano Girona Sevilla Osasuna Mallorca Sociedad na Bilbao Getafe ni Espanyol na bebo Almeria and Atletico Madrid na Cadiz ni Elche edi aboni wudum se Real Madrid ne Barca bo Super Cup Betis mo na Valencia mu nyina ewo obi man so Saudi Arabia until omo nka ho this weekend now yenkopie mo Italy hwe ye be koso in the Italian Serie A this weekend and akopie mo the likes of Napoli mo nia big game and Napoli versus Juventus a big game Napoli form na no den Juventus so all back and Cremonese tomorrow on Monza Lecce and AC Milan Inter Milan Hellas Verona Sunday Sassuolo and Lazio and a debe so Torino and Spezia Udine and Bologna Atalanta Salernitana Roma and Fiorentina na Empoli and Sampdoria bo on Monday Yanko France near the also in the French League 1 and Ayala ne Auxerre Marseille ne Lorraine Lyon ne Strasbourg and about Lille ne Troyes Angers and Clermont Foot now Montpellier and Nantes Rennes ni Nice Toulouse and Brest Monaco ni Ajaccio Rennes ne Paris Saint-Germain and at the Bweni we and matches no sending on some AC etie across Europe ni na mu no oneexpert.com and I bet medicika no e dey go bottom oneexpert.com also no eso and options are what would be disika no so be oneexpert.com I'm okay want to pay the next some na bro yamra me hwede yakoso yambo national teams no akache the senior national women's soccer team the Black Queens of Ghana new coach Ababetu and Nora Haptel, one on na 20 or yeah, technical director, and they are pushing into the Black Queens of Ghana or Badwam or then someone to just say when him say Ghana talent to apa now won't be trained. When him so already we have 40 players akwa camp dada and what to no to actually so ready pass so better than winning.
First of all, I see me as a manager and I want to surround me with a lot of good people which I empower, and I think I learned to be a manager over all these steps I did. And I also think that I learned in Switzerland very good what is education and development about. And I think I see a lot of potential in Ghana. and we need to provide this development. So I think I have these skills which I can bring here, and in return I also want to learn a lot of this culture here. I made a lot of researches first when I had the first attach already last year with the princesses. Then I got an impression on the World Cup. This was the first attempt. So I saw that they are, it's a very football culture. They like to have the ball, the Ghanaians. So I got an impression of the playing style. And then I started to scout and detect players. So at the moment, we already found around 35 players playing abroad, which can play for Ghana. And now, this week, we are making a selection camp. First of all, I see me as a...
Right, this week, or selection because I'm going to camp or pram. I'm going to see for the Women AFCON qualifier. Now, what so qualifiers are costing now on Badwam, walk here, the Bruni. At the Black Queens of Ghana, intense the Bruni Black Queens, but you know, age and modern then they are PC, but what money at the idea, Patrick Chiefas mixture. I'm okay on some idea, bro. Chiefas, Papa, Yanko, the Ghanaian Premier League, and match day 12 results. Can fight starting out of football draw 0-0 at you, Shakra Lions 3-1, Adriana Stars 2, Kotoku Royal 0, and a Great Olympics to be Bienne Gold Stars, but choo-choo, Yanshade.
Back into the game from Abdullahi, went wide once again. But this time around, Bedu Dankwa got it right. Muhammad Hadi Abdullahi was in the right place at the right time. The fans had something to cheer about. Tamale United nearly resulting in something that Accra Lions did not want. They kept on pushing forward. The referee noticed and infringement the handball situation, and it was Mohamed Sadat who scored from the penalty spot, restoring the lead for Real Tamale United. So the center referee Yakubu Hassim blew his whistle for the end of the game. Opportunities from the left flank of attack, but it was at this stage that Samari picked his spot and registered that goal for Accra Lions, bringing them back into the game. From Abdullahi went wide.
Right, and so wow, when so name results maybe the matches maybe highlighted there, bro. Now interesting officials maybe see this weekend. Twaso Accra Sports Stadium, Kumasi other centers, Karela near Adriana Stars, and able Accra Lions, the Brekum Chelsea, Kotoku Royals, and Great Olympics also focus summer test Accra Sports Stadium. Bechem United nimi die man ade pem so ochena Saturday ochena yes bechem but me die man ebo ken Faisal ebo fie biem to Tamale City Dreams FC in Real Tamale United in Swatremane Legon Cities bibiane Gold Stars ebo fie omne Asante Kotoko eno eso wan sebo no Setimo gel and roll on ken honi ade nsam na de mre pin ne be kwa Setimo gel and a roll on now akopi mu o twifo press so a Dachi Hene Foundation Galas Ronko Adema Mrantie one potem ho mo say kwan bia so no region ni mu no sene talent wo pa talent I see on na so mo hwe no mu yi omu pinto mo organize sa competition di on talent na PABP mu ho nyasam keto akra
sene beye na obenya mrantie mu gina omo na so eni bobbo Daachi betumi abo my Ghana ewe national teams ahodo ni nyina mu a yenkom ho asembone no ena wo se wo ka omo nyina abo mu na kansie bi wo hono mu a wo hyehyede ma wonom ena obeboa ena branti adan omo ho adi na atumi apa wo enu nti wodi wani kire atwefo atimukwa constituency a akansi kese bi atudwa wo hono mu a Daachi Hene Foundation ekomtwi bodu afiri wiem ahyehyeye ede ma mranti e wo mpatemu ho na mo so beda mo modi Daachi Hene Foundation yi owura oye kofa bai Daachi Hene Nana Kwesi Ankra NDC Vice Chairman Otwifo Atimukwa constituency na akansie kese atudwa no nkura hodo ebeburedu ena de omo huji mu a ye so ne so ena kan naipe na wo hwa akansie tudwa ya ye twen ye cameras ekopie adwumadie na se ene de ani hu ya na dadi pefe isa afebia mu no o se sa adwumadie kese yi atudwa honom efisi mrinsantenini ebredi kan kurani ya adwumadie kese sei atudwa honom de Kwesi boni be kan se ye pe talent ahodo no ya na dene so obi ba ba hihye bi awon potamu ho enu nti ene Daachi Hene Foundation oye na dwene se wode hihye so no nipa bepia nkoma ede omo hu gi mu a atwifu praso bia ya efre ho Pamo Park emrante de be poso ehom se na afi na hia ya no mu di Christmas ne de na so buta na dat dwumadie kese ne so no ene se be pa omrante a dache no betumi di atitim kese ewo mpatamu wo nipa dodo be pie ho no omanu omo ho efise emrante no mu ni mbo ne bo na ede akense dodo na de hye so a yeso ne so ne ka teams ahodo mienu no twifu praso zongufo e kire se tournament no wo mu kro mu na ekoso wo mo yire wo mo ho e kire nioma kromfo hye wo mo no mu a kruwa kese siso no wo mo afanya akwadwero wo mo je esanso jisika pudu e ka ho a Jesus ahodo no empenifo san de hye wo mo nsa
In fact, my exceeding my target. My exceeding my target. I'm say, Nana pese uno. Ya na ya fan kitu ebi. Nana nim say chufu. Chufu man be so ade nim man ma emu aye kama sa. There we be ase. Nana ya expect no. Abroso. Ya do we be ase na ya bompa ya say. Yankopon de yankwa na ahode emaya. Next year e be kese asense. There do we be ase.
A couple of players are now sure
you adapting one of the teams. So far about 15 players, very good players. You be so mumu. Na ya na cha omo. No mako high places.
Mr. Hakimadai, emo akwa Badwam TV.
Me na me joso.
Na tournament wa base wa ball designer top kama. Woni je hu kama na.
Me na me ni age bebre. Say omo je trophy no. Me yozongo boy. And the zongo for so na sanje ye. Enti me ni age bebre. Makana bwa
chama next season musa hihye bia mu am ready say mu disika be shem na kwanimu
menua ye beye ma na abroso because ne expect say be hunu sa ba abroso ne ye hu sa twufufo eta ya chi yeso ye beye ye hu ayade a omope all the time no omoni age
right. And so Sergio Manoncho chamu bomu twifudi ejai manu twaje ba bia na akobwa galamse india ba no nti bia da din na ebedi akira hwe nkwala mu pie mu no mo daache se na ebesi akwa ebe keep video no se na no Edmonado e keep ni video a o hete e ko fa ba se Adom TV na ye born first or your bo Adom TV so first ti ebe keep ya na at under 17 for bebre wo under 17 for obo na bodwefu awore but under 17 oneexpert.com can one opena and some right here betting companies never oneexpert.com ne papa no channel so safa me chief fast mixture e man me medru hu say anacho abagina so na or form chief fast mixture or the dware nyina chief fast mixture papa now of course sedimo gel and roll on pin be kwa sedimo gel and roll on 0208986731 and 0208219129 Senes Pharmacy na kofa ba open do to number C na self fragrance and one obi eto ebi new store mu dia chama meni madura woton yes sedimo gel and roll on Sergio Manocho Bana Paribotwe me producers no kai say odi na kasa be ka kejuane ho Erica Siedu Buadi and na kwa efie dey na say bibia da din na sister Sandy so e dia ho sepe beto so ko so hebedwam